Are you a landlord that's struggling to stay up with tenant laws and regulations in California? Well, this video is for you. My name is Juliana. I am with WeLease Property Management, and today we're going to do a quick recap of the 2025 and 2026 laws every landlord should be aware of. If 2025 felt like one regulation after another, you're not imagining it. It was. That's how things are in California with tenant laws every year. So we can expect the same probably for 2026. That's why it's important you stay informed. Let's start with the 2025 recap. Number 1, new tenant screening rules. Refundable application fee if you are not following the first come, first served method. Also, if you run a credit report, landlord has to provide a copy of the credit report to the applicant. Next one, security deposit photo requirements. Now, move-out photos are mandatory before any deductions, and landlords have to provide documentation. Next one, rent reporting for tenants. Landlords now have to provide the option to the tenants to report their on-time rent payment to credit bureaus. Algorithmic pricing bans. Both the state and the city of San Diego crack down on rent setting software. Landlords can no longer use software that collects or shares private data to set rental prices. Utility fee rules. You can only pass actual costs to tenants, no markups allowed. Now, in 2026, where are we and what do we want to keep an eye on? First, working stove and fridge. The habitability law has expanded. Every landlord now has to provide a working stove and fridge in every unit. Next one, security deposit refund electronically. Landlords now have the option to refund the security deposit electronically. This is actually a really good one because refunding a security deposit electronically is much more secure and easier to track. Whereas in the past, or the check option is still there, but it's harder to track a printed check and it can easily get lost in the mail. Next one, new tenant defense against Social Security hardship. This can affect eviction timelines. So a tenant receiving Social Security benefits and the government shutting down, that can affect the rental payment, and that can then affect an eviction timeline. Next one, new tenant defense against Social Security hardship. This law can affect eviction timelines. Think of it like this. Government shuts down, tenant cannot receive their Social Security benefits. Now, things to keep an eye on. Laws and regulations we want to keep an eye on in 2026, potentially for the future. Right now, there's talks for proposed legislation like a potential junk fee ban. It has not passed yet, but it will come back stronger in 2026. Next one, maximum indoor temperature in units. Government is currently in talks to set a necessary maximum indoor temperature inside homes. This could potentially lead to cooling units, a requirement for cooling units inside homes. Well, that's all we have time for today. But if you want a full list of the 2025 and 2026 laws and regulations for tenants, please visit the link below. We have a full recap for you. Important disclaimer, none of the following in this video is legal advice, and I am not an attorney. So if you're a landlord or an investor, tired of managing your properties alone, don't have the time to keep up with all these laws and regulations, contact us, WeLease Property Management, the best management company in San Diego.